With each new year, Samsung's experimental folding phone series is looking less ridiculous and more revolutionary. After all, there is something truly enticing about unfolding a tablet-sized screen from out of your pocket. That's why the Galaxy Z Fold 4 release is on the horizon, and we have already begun to size up the best Z Fold 4 cases. Because just like the Z Fold 3, its successor isn't the most durable handset on market. As the name implies, the UAG civilian case brings military-grade drop protection into an everyday form factor that offers a nice balance between protection and portability. Its raised bumper frame absorbs shock from all angles of impact, greatly reducing the chance that an accidental drop leads to scratches or cracks on the finish of your phone. It has a built-in hinge cover that does not interfere with wireless charging or holding an S Pen, although there isn't a dedicated notch for the S Pen either. And while I do like the design, I also wish it came in a few more colors. The pros in a spotlight are its lightweight and durable slim hinge cover, wireless PowerShare compatible, and the cons it could be grippier, limited color options, and no S Pen support. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day capabilities.